Okay, let me just make sure that you're as I want you to be. Okay. Okay. What we're looking at is City and Guilds, okay? Certificate in Technical Technology, okay? In Electrotechnical Technology, okay? And we're looking at level 2 at this stage. Components that make up an electrical circuit, okay? Aims and objectives of this session to be able to state the component parts of an electrical circuit. And here are our component parts of an electrical circuit. All circuits should include some or all of the following: source of supply, conductors, circuit protection, circuit control, load. Okay, quite simple. This one is quite quick and easy. Okay, simple lighting circuits, and here we have lighting circuits are labeled by the switching, not by the number of lamps fitted. Okay, this is the one-way lighting circuit. Okay. Now please remember that one-way switching controlling one light, that your switch should always be in the line conductor, not the neutral. Okay. It is important that the switch must always be placed in the live conductor. Don't ever forget that. Okay. Otherwise the lamp will still be live when you go to try to work on it, and you'll be in for a nasty surprise. Okay. Sorry. And here we have two-way switch. Okay. Make sure we can get that up close. Okay. Two-way switching. Okay. You can switch the light on from a couple of locations. But what had occurred to me is that with using these type of switches, you could switch the light on from quite possibly a number of locations. Basically, using the two-way and intermediate switching system. Okay. So look, excuse my teeth; they haven't quite bedded in yet. It's good when you've got your own teeth. You guys aren't half lucky. Right, here we have an intermediate circuit. An intermediate switching circuit allows you to put any number of switches into the lighting circuit. Okay. And here we can switch this light on from 3 locations or even more, providing we add additional switches. Okay. Open and closed circuit systems. With either open or closed circuit system, there are a number of common features: means of making the circuit, means of switching on, means of resetting the system. And here you have normally open and normally closed contacts. Okay. Nothing much for me to do on this. This is quite simple and light. Open circuit system. With an open circuit system, the means of operation is a switch that makes a circuit. We are controlling the relay, not the circuit that is doing our work. Okay. And closed circuit system. This system has a series of switches that are normally closed and keep the power to the relay on until they are broken. It is the opposite of the open circuit system. Okay. Now again, remember to look at this video in conjunction. Okay. You may not get access to the video just yet because each session is being done and is allowed to run, so that you're able to follow other parts of the work that enables you to be prepared for the next stages onwards. Okay, thank you. Hope you found this useful. Have a good day. Bye-bye.